present to you guys about our project. So before we start, imagine that you are the HR for some company, and in a day when you wake up, you have to review a lot of CV in a few days. But at the same time, also imagine that you are the job seeker, that you fulfill the qualified for some job, but you are struggle if you are good enough for the job or not. So because of that, we choose to make this application called CVision, an AI-powered CV evaluation and job matching designed to make recruitment more efficient while helping candidates improve their chance of success. And of course, this project wouldn't be success without the team behind it. So my name is Jasmine Putri. I am the leader, also the AI engineer and the web developer. And working alongside me are Helena Gultom, the front-end and back-end developer. Also, we work under guidance of Mr. Muhammad Fazli Amirul Rasulullah, SFC MFC, as our project manager. Before introduction our solution, let's first understand the problem behind this project. So, today the recruitment process is becoming increasingly challenging as companies receive hundreds of applications for a single position. And as a result, recruiters spend a lot of time to screen the resume manually, making the hiring process slower and also less efficient. And in addition, manual evaluation often leads to subjective decision where different recruiters may assess the same candidate differently.
Okay, this is our side in this problem statement. Before developing, we are identifying several major problems in the recruitment process. The first, HR staff need to read and evaluate its CV manually, which requires a significant amount of time and effort. The second, companies often receive a very large number of applications for every job vacancy, making the screening process difficult and inefficient. The third, with so many applicants, it becomes challenging to access candidates objectively and consistently. To address these issues, we develop sufficient an AI power system that helps automate and improve candidate evaluations. Okay, this is our solutions. CVision offers several solutions to improve the recruitment process. The first is automated CV analysis using AI, reducing the need for manual screening. The second, it provides smart candidate scoring based on skills, experience, and job recruitment. The third, the system helps companies make more accurate and objective hiring decisions by ranking candidates fairly. And finally, it saves time and effort, allowing HR teams to focus on more strategic recruitment activities. This is our main features applications. CVision provides four main features that support the recruitment process. The first feature is automated CV analysis, which is extracts and analyzes important information from a candidate CV automatically. The second feature is candidate scoring, where the system calculates is acceptability score based on skill, experience, and job recruitment. Third, candidate ranking organizes application from the highest score to the lowest score, helping HR prioritize candidates. And finally, job recommendations suggest the most appropriate job positions based on the candidate's profile.
Next, we have AI system architecture. So this slide focus on the AI algorithm used in CVision. So the first one we have data layer. In data layer we have a step called PDF text extraction called PyMo PDF, and then we done the process called text preprocessing, which we our case the conversion, remove punctuation, remove extra space, also done the text cleaning. And then after we done the text processing, we also done the text normalization, which is tokenization, also step word removal. And then the next step on the data layer is feature preparation, which is TF-IDF input, expert input, also parser input. And then after we done with the data layer, we have the second layer called model layer. On the model layer, we have rule-based parser. We done the email extraction, phone, education, experience, also the skills. And then we have TF-IDF model, which is we use lexical feature extraction, also constant similarity. And then not only use the TF-IDF model, we also use the expert model, which is sentence embedding. Use the model called all-mini-LM L6V2, and then use the semantic similarity. Okay. After the expert model, we also have the stage called hybrid scoring. This is we combine the TF-IDF model, also the expert model, to create something called match percentage as the output, and then as the last step on the model layer, we have LLM. Use the Gemini API for job recommendation, also skill gap analysis. And before we next to the last layer, we're gonna talk about AI algorithm of this application. So the first one we have the IDF. The data input we use is recent text, also job description, and then for the process step, it's text preprocessing, TF-IDF factorization, also the concept similarity, and then the output that we get is the TF-IDF similarity score. And then not only use the TF-IDF, we also use the expert. With the data input is the recent text, job description, and then the process that is done is sentence embedding, also semantic similarity, and the data output that we done is expert similarity score. And then the third algorithm we use is LLM. The data input is structure resume, job description, match percentage, and then the process is prompt engineering, Gemini inference, also contextual analysis, and the data output is job recommendation and the skill gap analysis. And last but not least, we have rule-based parser. As the data input is resume text, the process is done with the reject pattern matching, also information extraction, and as the output we have structure resume JS1. Next, we have the last layer called application layer. So the application layer or AI interrogation layer, it's like the bridge that happen between the Laravel also the AI models. So the Laravel sends the user request to Fast API, and then with the AI process, it's resume using TF-IDF, expert, hybrid scoring, also the last is Gemini API, and after the analysis is done, the results are sent back to the Laravel, saved in database, and then display to the user.
Okay, this is our project challenge. During the development on this project, we encountered several challenges. The first challenge was choosing a logo that called properly represent the application, and then we challenged with translating the interface design into actual code while maintaining consistency with the original design. Another challenge was creating a user-friendly interface that will be easy for user to understand and operate. And finally, selecting the implementing the most accessible AI model for CV analysis was also an important challenge in this project. In this project testing, after the development was completed, we conduct both system usability skill testing and user acceptance testing. And this is test sufficient active and average score of 87, indicating that the application has a very good level on usability. In the user accept test, all features were executed successfully with 100% success rate. This result show that the system meets functional requirement and is ready for implementation in a real environment. Okay, in this our project achievements, throughout this project, all planned development stage we are successfully completed. We are finished with the requirement analysis, AI architecture design, interface design, front-end and back-end development, deployment, and the system testing.
Thank you so much for your attention. We truly appreciate of your time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.